Hey everybody, we caught up with Jason Blanton from Blanton Racing. He brought his Ultra 4 car out here to the battle in the Bluegrass. So Jason, is this a crawler, bouncer? What do they call it?
You know, it's an unlimited car. So we started out when we first started racing. It was a rock crawler based vehicle, and then it started getting faster and faster. So now it's more of a rock crawler morphed in with an off-road desert car. So it can go real fast in the desert. We can slow it down, put it in a different gear ratio, and go on the rocks. Yeah.
Awesome. What's in the power plant?
It's a 583 all aluminum big block. We use your guys' Holley Dominator system on it for all the engine control. We use the same Holley dashes as well for monitoring things.
I seen some MSD parts scattered in there too.
It's all Holley.
All Holley MSD?
Yeah. Same with the coil packs are all, we put LS coil packs on it. So it's working real great for us.
All right. Well, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I see the guys are wrenching away, getting you ready. Y'all ready to hit the hills?
I'm ready to get muddy.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, man.
Thank you guys.